Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. As you know that uh, this is my lecture number 13. All my lectures are connected and they all are moving towards sequence. I connect all the passages, all the plot, all the climax of this novel, The Prison of Zenda, with connectivity. I don't lose. In my 12th lecture, as you know, Mr. Zendal, he was his he was in an accident visit to Darlingham, Darlingham's family, Firisheim, saying. So, where he got injury, you know, due to this, I continue this lecture. The king's health is breaking down. This is the topic of my lecture of 13. King's health is breaking down. This is a topic. Then how Mr. Zendal got the king's health is breaking down? Because this that visit, lecture 12, that visit was to find where our king is captured or imprisoned. Okay. So, the next thing was Zendal's wounds. It was published in news. It became a bulletin news. What I'm saying? Mr. Zendal got injury on his shoulder. I have been told in my 12th lecture. So it became a bulletin news. When this became very much popular, the lady was in Ruritania, Strelsa. That was Princess Flavia. You know, she is very admired and loving lady. She loved to crown king from the core of her because she has such a real passion with Zendal. And she don't wait, and she start to visit Darlingham. So now the duty of Zendal is to pass a time with Princess Flavia. You got my point? 2 days. This is an excuse. How much days Flavia lived there? 2 days. 2 days. Flavia enjoy a time with Zendal. Then she come back. Okay, this was the okay. The how we know that king's health is not good. King's health is not good. The news comes from Johann. Already I have told you. Johann was the only person where Zendal forced him and offered him such a good future, and he told. And this gentleman told king's health is not good. Clear. How? Many things I have not mentioned here, but a simple I will tell you from mouth towards you people that there's an old castle, you know, there's old castle covered with hilly areas, covered with hills. Not possible to enter into old castle, you know, but in a front always 3 guards are guarding. There's a drawbridge, okay, but there's one room. It is a one window. From there's a large pipe which go into a moat. Moat means ditch, khandak, you know, ditch. This is only a passage to enter into castle from a large pipe, okay? And then there's a ditch, so men can swim into through the help of large pipe, and they can come enter into a room. So this was the situation, my dear student. Zendal, he said, we don't have to wait. We have to save the king because king's health is not good. So this I will tell you. First I tell you that the Zendal set Frisk and 10 gentlemen, trustworthy gentlemen, they made a company move towards where the king is captured, and as I said, gentlemen, and Maxhoff, Pepper, Grant, and Cross. Okay, my dear student, what I'm saying, Maxhoff, when Zendal come from the mood, there was a boat. Maxhoff is a brother of Johann. Maxhoff is a brother of Johann. He was selected into a boat. They come and fight and killed Maxhoff. We was asleep, okay? Then, my dear student, the fight started. Zendal entered, okay, and the 3 gentlemen, what I'm saying, Rapadam Hankazau, Leningrad, Krafstein, They both were slept. They both were slept and these were killed by Arzendal. And they time, when the fight started, Rupert is a very cunning. Rupert is very clever villain in this novel. He is just, whenever the people come from Rosendal, there is a distance and he just run away. He escaped from that place. Okay. After all, they never try to touch Mr. Real King because it is a risk to his life, and they come back safely, join his own people. But the very sad is that the 4 people were being killed of Rosendal's men. They were 10 gentlemen. The 4 people were killed by Rosendal's party. So this was the story what I am telling you. I repeat, my dear student, please do keep in your mind that what I am telling you, the king's health is breaking down. Who told? Johann. And Johann told there is a one room, it has a one window. From your large pipe which enter through the moat is a ditch, you can come through, but there is a hilly areas you don't come. There is nowhere to come. And the front there is always the people of Michael. You have no way to come. If you come, it means it's a risk of life to real king. Okay. Now what I'm telling you, okay, now Rosendal says, I don't wait. I have to say my real thing because it's my duty to say my real thing. And the fight started. The first Maxhoff, it was killed by Rosendal when he was slept into a boat. Clear? Maxhoff, he was being killed by Mr. Rosendal. And 2 other gentlemen, Lohengrin and Krafstein, these were also killed by Mr. Rosendal. And Mr. Rupert, he is a cunning villain, he ran away from. And the 4 people were being killed by Rupert and his own people. So this was the story, and they come back safely because they don't want to make a risk. Because already when Mr. Rosendal come near to castle, he has listened discussion between Real King and I think Krafstein. So he feels that the king is not good, his health is not good. So my dear son, I told you that how the Flavia come to visit Tarlenheim, and 2 days she lived with Rosendal and enjoyed a romantic mood because she is very much upset about Rosendal and its condition, situation, its position. And then she come back, 2 days visit. She lived 2 days in Tarlenheim. She didn't go back. The 4 people killed by Rosendal's party in this, okay, and 3 men were killed by Black Michael. Maxhoff is a brother of Johann, and the 2 people, Lohengrin and Krafstein, these were being killed. Okay. So my dear student, my way to study, I am telling you the story about the character and story and about the characters as well. Related to MCQs, multiple choice question that you people understand well. So this is my vision to focus you people that you get easily what I am saying you. So today I tell you that the king's health is breaking down. Who told? Johann told, and he told the old castle and the entrance where you people come to enter and to save the king. Clear, my dear student. And the 10 gentlemen, trustworthy gentlemen, were along with Rosendal, Septon Fritz as well, and there was Rupert, Lohengrin, Krafstein, and some other people. How the runaway, Mr. Rupert ran away from the position. He's very cunning villain, very clever. He always stay from the position whenever he hurt many people, killed many people. He's a villain. So villain has a way to go. After all, in the end of last fight. So I have told you, in my 13th lecture has been gone. In a 14th, I will tell you what were the other plans by Rosendal to save the king. What would be the other plans to save the king? But dear students, listen. You can write, if you want to write what I am telling you, this is a simple theme. You can write how I start my lecture, how Flavia visited Tarlenheim, and how the fight was started between 2 people, 2 groups, Rosendal and Rupert of Antazzo, how many people were being killed, and who told the news that the king's health is breaking down. Inshallah, in coming lecture, I will tell you brief, much more about novel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, dear students.